So a good tip to remember when you're trading any stock or if you're doing any form of trading is that you never want to buy while it's at the top of the market. Like right here, this bar here, you wouldn't want to buy here because there's still uncertainty on whether or not you're going to lose money. You want to buy when you want to buy on a dip. So you want to buy when it's at its cheapest, or when it's cheaper than its previous high. So if you look at here, this is Apple. This is Apple here. So it went up. It actually hit a new high. You see here and here. It didn't touch this level. So it touched this level, which is great. You know, if you gotten in here or even right here. Had you gotten in any of these spots, you would have made a lot of pips here. You would have made a lot of money because it went up quite a bit. So when you're looking to take take a buy, you always want to take a buy on the dip, and you want to get in. You want to try your best to get in at the bottom of the dip. You don't want to get in at the top of the dip because you're going to lose money. So it's really going to take patience. You're going to have to watch that chart. You're going to have to look at what it's doing. You're going to have to pay attention to where price is moving. And once it gets to a point there, like right here, would have been a good time to take this buy for Apple. So you could have taken it right here, and you see it went up there, retraced a little bit, but you still would have made some money. And what it's indicating now is that it may end up coming back up. It has quite a ways before it drops below its previous low of being around here. So here, this bar here was its previous low. So just remember, when you're taking a buy, don't buy while it's at the top. Like you don't want to buy here, because you see this, you've lost a lot of money. And what happens when you lose money is, you know, a lot of times you may get antsy, you may feel like you're losing. Although you could have technically, if you'd have bought here, you technically could have held it and it would have went back up. But this is just for people who are day traders that's trying to get in and get out. You want to get in, you want to get out, you want to make your money. Always get in at the bottom. Don't get in at the top. Get in at the bottom. Get in here or get in here. Me, I like to get in like right here. This is where I like to get in at. For trades like this one, right here. This is where I like to get in at. I get in right here. This next bar hits here. It retraces a little bit. It goes a little bit under my buy point, but look at what happens there. It goes all the way up to here. And I could have rolled that position from, let's see, January 29th up into about March 13th. So I could have held this position for like 2 months and I could have made a killing. Could have made a lot of money. So this is where I get in. I get in right here. I'm not gonna get in here or here. I'm not gonna take a buy there because it's gonna be in a negative for a while. You're gonna be losing money for a while. You don't want to do that. You want to get in right here. You want to get in right here, and you want to let this move right here happen. Let this last little pullback happen. The market was exhausted at this point. As you see, my fissure down here, it turned, and this is what happened. Really big move. So just a tip for today.